Hey guys, we'd like to chat with you about property taxes and the upcoming property tax adjustment we will be seeing. In the next week, you'll be receiving a card like this that will have your new property valuation. This is the valuation that your taxes will be based upon for the next 2 years. So look closely at the facts such as square footage, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, etc.
So the great news is that we've seen incredible gains over the past couple of years with our home values. But the not so good news is that the county is also seeing these gains, and these are going to be the numbers that they're going to use to reevaluate our property taxes. So this valuation is based on something that they call the sales study period, and this period is from July 1st of 2020 to June 30th of 2022. So the unfortunate part about this period of time, if you recall, this was the height of our real estate market. So here's just a quick little snippet from the Douglas County Assessor himself giving us an example of what we might see across Colorado.
It is the job of every county assessor in the state of Colorado to complete a reappraisal. That reappraisal charges us with reassessing all the properties in the county and placing them at market value. The reappraisal date for the 2023 reappraisal is June of 2022. We are moving the level of value forward on all properties from June of 2020, which was the appraisal date from the 21 reappraisal, to June of 2022. The result of that is large increases in property assessments for residential, vacant land, commercial, industrial, and everything else that we have to appraise. Our value changes for the 2023 reappraisal reflect the changes that occurred in the market, in the real estate market in Douglas County between those 2 years. The average increase for a residential property in Douglas County as a result of this reappraisal is 47%. And give an example of an actual home in Douglas County. This property, which happens to be in my neighborhood, is currently assessed in the 600,000s, and in this reappraisal, their value is increasing to almost $1 million. In this example, we've provided the prior year and current year, in other words, the 2022 tax year and 2023 tax year values for that. And you can see that the estimated taxes for this property are going from about $6,000 to about $9,000. This is with no changes to state law under the current regime. Commissioner.
When you receive your notice, attached with it will be instructions on how to appeal your property tax assessment. The appeal process is May 1st through June 8th of 2023. Please note these dates, and they're very important to the appeals process.
So if you feel that your values are overinflated, please feel free to reach out to us. That's what we're here for. We want to help provide a more accurate value of your home, and we'll do that by pulling specific comparable properties in your neighborhood versus a simple algorithm that the county is using to assess the values. So we know that the county is preparing for massive amounts of appeals this year. So the more accurate data that you can provide during your appeal process is just going to give you a better opportunity for success.
Hey guys, we just want to be a resource here for you. So if you have any questions regarding your property valuation, the appeals process, what that looks like, please feel free to reach out to us.
We'll talk to you guys soon.